Hi guys, welcome to Feel Beautiful with Juhi. So today I'll be doing one brand makeup tutorial and that will be Essence. So I'll be starting with this Mousse foundation which is very light and soft on my skin. So let's see. As you can see, nearly or almost matches to my skin tone. And I'm going to use this as concealer as well. So I'll go little bit high under my eyes with the product. First let me blend nicely on my face, and just let me tell you that I already applied moisturizer and lip balm, which is very essential for your makeup to look seamless. Okay, maybe under my eyes I'll use my ring finger, which is always a good option as our under eyes are very sensitive to wrinkles. Almost coming. Never forget your neck part, otherwise your neck and your face will look different. So I'll take little bit more product in my fingers to apply on my under eyes. Okay, I am done with the mousse. So now I'll be applying Essence translucent fixing powder to set my foundation, which is very important to set your foundation. Actually this product is not very pigmented, so it's kind of powdery. So yeah, don't forget your eyes part and your neck. So here I have got Essence Eyebrow Gel, which is I think this color is brown. Yeah, it is brown. And actually my eyebrows are not that thin, so I just need little bit of the product to fill my eyebrows, just to define them. So yeah, let's see. Okay, nice. I think if you have and we are done with the eyebrows. So now it's time to apply bronzer. You see, it's not that pigmented, so you have to work little bit on this. I got it. Little bit shaping always looks good. See, and little bit to look more natural when you have applied foundation already, and my baby hairs keep disturbing. Now it's time to apply the Essence matte blush. It's called Touch Blush, and links I'll be putting in the description box, so do go and check out. So yeah, I think this color will look very pretty on Indian skin tone. I think you should try. The product on my brush. It's mine. On the apple of your cheeks. Okay, not bad. And I'm always very much in love with the blush colors, and I really want to use them as eyeshadows as well, so why not? Let's do it with my finger. It's such a pretty color. Oh my god, look at it. We are done with the eyeshadow. I'm really happy with the color. So now let's apply the eyeliner. Here I'm using Essence Dip Eyeliner. It's very near to the lashes. So as you can see, I've tried to apply as thin as possible. Guys, I'm done with both the eyes, and the color of this eyeliner is jet black. I want to apply some Kajal. So I'm using Kajal pencil from Essence, which is a black in color. I love to apply Kajal. It gives such a definition to our eyes. Makes such a huge difference in your look. For some mascara. So here I'm using Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. So here I'm using Essence Long Lasting Lip Liner. I don't have a lipstick from Essence. I love to use the lip liner from Essence, and it's very long lasting and very pigmented, and this color is so pretty. I'm using the same Essence shading powder with the bronzer and the highlighter. Okay, it's not that pigmented, but yeah, you can build it on your cheeks as you want. So guys, we are done with the makeup tutorial and I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please press the like button and do subscribe to my channel.